Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about compassion, how it is shown through caring for other people and the environment, and the role of human discernment in making our university in the world a more compassionate place. First of all, what is compassion? For me, compassion means more than simply feeling sorry for someone. It is the ability to understand another person's situation, feel concern for them, and most importantly, do something to help. Compassion is about kindness, respect, and love expressed through our actions. It means being willing to help others without expecting anything in return. I believe compassion starts with small actions. We don't always need to do something extraordinary. Sometimes listening to someone who is having difficult day, helping a classmate understand a lesson, or simply treating everyone with respect are already acts of compassion. Compassion is important because every person experiences struggles that we may not know about. Some people face financial problems, family issues, stress, or health challenges. By showing compassion, we remind others that they are not alone. Even a small act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Compassion is not only for people, it should also be shown toward our environment. The environment provides everything we need to survive. We have a clean air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and natural resources that support our daily lives and natural resources that support our daily lives. Because of this, we have the responsibility to protect and care for our nature. Showing compassion for the environment means avoiding activities that damage it. We should practice proper waste disposal, reduce the use of plastic, recycle whenever possible, conserve electricity and water, and participate in environmental activities like tree planting or community cleanup programs. Some people may think that throwing away one piece of trash is not a big problem. However, if millions of people think the same way, the damage becomes very serious. On the other hand, if everyone has chooses to do small actions every day, together we can create a cleaner and healthier environment. Compassion also means thinking about future generations. We should leave behind a world where children and future families can still enjoy clean water, fresh air, and beautiful natural surroundings. Now, let us talk about communal discernment. Communal discernment means making decisions together by carefully listening, reflecting, and considering what is best for everyone instead of focusing only on personal interests. It involves respect, cooperation, and open communication. Instead of asking, what is best for me? Communal discernment asks, what is best for our community? In university like PU, communal discernment can be practiced by listening respectfully to students, teachers, administrators, and staff before making important decisions. Everyone has different experience and ideas, so listening to one another help us find better solutions. For example, if the university wants to improve waste management, students and faculty can work to create recycling programs, reduce plastic use, and encourage environmental awareness. When everyone participates, the results become more effective because people feel included and responsible. Communal discernment also helps solve conflicts peacefully instead of arguing or blaming others. People work together to understand different perspectives and find solutions that benefit anyone or everyone. When compassion and communal discernment are combined, they create stronger communities. Compassion gives us the desire to help others, while communal discernment helps us decide the best way to help us grow as a group. I believe I believe our university becomes a more compassionate place when students respect one another, avoid bullying, help classmates who are struggling, volunteer in community activities, and care for the environment. These actions create a positive atmosphere where everyone feels safe, valued, and supported. The same principle applies to the whole world. If people choose compassion over hatred, understanding over judgment, and cooperation over selfishness, many social and environmental problems can be solved and can be reduced. Each of us has the ability to make a difference. We do not need to be rich or famous to show our compassion. Every kind word, every helping hand, every responsible action, and every good decision contributes to building a better society. In conclusion, compassion is not just an emotion, it is a way of living. It means caring for people, protecting the environment, and working together through communal discernment to make wise decisions for the common good. If we practice compassion every day, even through simple actions, we can help make our university and our whole world a kinder, more peaceful, and more caring place. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video.